I'm so excited to see tomatoes are growing now. Look at you, look at you. Yes, over here too, got some tomato growing. I got a tomato growing there, yes. Come on, tomatoes. Grow big and beautiful for us. Grow us a lot of tomatoes. I see some blooms there coming up still. And I see one right there still coming. Okay, come on, tomatoes. Grow us some beautiful tomatoes. I'm gonna add some more tomato plants in my new garden bed area that I'm setting up soon. So I can have a lot of tomatoes growing this season. But I'm so excited to see they finally are out. Yes, looking good. Yes, you are. My green beans and my yellow wax beans bed over here, they don't look too good. They gave me one good harvest. Normally I get about 3 harvests off of all the ones that I sow before I have to pull them up. But these look like they getting eaten up so bad. And I don't see anything hiding under the leaves this time. So I think I'm gonna pull all of these dead plants up and go ahead and sow me some more yellow wax beans and the green beans over in this bed again and see if I can get another great harvest. Let me get busy sowing these seeds. Green beans and my yellow wax beans. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make this front row the green beans and the back area the yellow wax beans. Let me finish sowing these seeds and I'll water them in. My old dead green beans and yellow wax beans all been pulled up, and a new set of green beans and yellow wax beans have been sowed in their place. All I have to do is watch them grow again and have another great harvest. Come on, green beans and yellow wax beans. Grow back fast for us. Second round. Let's make it a better harvest. Bigger and better harvest. I finally see some of my straight 8 cucumbers growing long. Look at y'all. Okay, yes. Gonna harvest you guys soon. Yes, y'all looking great. Mostly I was seeing the pickling ones coming up, but the straight 8 coming up too. Looking good, yes. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest you. I'm thinking when all of them still have their little flowers at the end of them. When the little flower fall off, I think it may be time to harvest them. So let me go ahead and harvest you. Nice size cucumber. I'll come back and get you guys later in this week. I see one more that's big that I better harvest this morning too. That's a nice size one. Yes. Oh, we're getting abundance in our cucumber harvest this season. Last season wasn't too good. But this area here where I normally plant them at, it always grow in abundance. So I'm going to keep this as my cucumber bed area from now on. I switched them in a different spot last time I was growing the cucumbers, and I didn't get a big harvest. They're coming up really nice this time.